Like, yeah, the one that has all the big rocks.
Yeah, I just have the 3 houses.
Harvey, you're
We're
back
quicker
to
than if your arm's broken.
not broken.
Quicker than if your arm's
Not broken.
Harvey, you're back to being all dirty and
grumpy look on his
grumpy
face.
look. You're back to normal, Harv. How you feeling?
Can we just shave his eyebrows off so we can't tell his expressions?
That'd be hilarious. Can we just shave both of them?
No.
Well, I brought you guys some cold drinks, if you'd like one. I brought Bentley a couple PB&Js if you want to try to steal one from him.
No.
Well, and I have, do I have 1 or 2
You
wraps?
have a couple wraps.
I was gonna say, if I had a wrap and I wasn't even hungry.
Well, you can share one with Harvey.
So, sounds good.
How's
Somebody
it
would like a
going, you guys?
We cooked through that. We started
Nice.
at like 8:20 something,
And
it's only 12:20.
I'm gonna make you a deal.
What up?
If you throw this GoPro on your head and go finish doing whatever you're doing and maybe like, you know, check in with Christian and do a quick little thing, I gotta run. But otherwise I won't have any YouTube today. You guys think you can throw in 10 minutes?
If we have anything.
We have 10 minutes of weed whacking left.
Perfect.
Is somebody gonna tell Christian that he can take a break?
I text the whole group.
But he's
Whenever
probably coming down the 3 houses
I was-
and they won't have anything to do.
Yeah, I think he was weed whacking around. Like,
Whenever I say it's a break or whatever, Christian's like, oh, it's all right. I got, you know,
Well,
I'm
they
gonna
could-
finish this up.
You two could grab like that blower and the handheld one
Actually, yeah,
and
grab
do
the
the
blower.
sidewalks and walkways.
That sounds
Somebody
Well, and
grabs the weed
Over
whacker
there
one.
has to be trimmed and
Oh.
mowed.
Yes, and there's a gate right there and that chain link fence, and there's a gap like this big between the
Here.
little thing right there and the
Recorded. Say hi.
On top of it, just wipe it right out.
All right.
But that was it, just that little spot, and I appreciate you.
Yeah.
Thank you. If you do the wall, I have root beer popsicles if you'd like one.
All right.
So you do the wall, and I'll go get the popsicles.
All right.
Okay?
Thank you.
You made my day.
Thank you.
I love you guys.
Have a good day. So yeah, say hi to the YouTube.
You. I got your camera.
Thank you. Yeah, can you close that gate, please?
Oh, I got one.
No, you're good. I'll get it after. It's just hard to set this down and re-pick it up. You look good, I will not lie. But if where I'm going tonight. Song's a banger. Ugh. Say hi. Okay, yeah. Hold on. Say hi.
Yep.
Father, you want to do an outro?
Outro?
Yeah.
Well, we just finished Island Shores. Record time. Pretty good day. Got here at 8:30 and now we're done. I think it's like 1:30, maybe not even. But now we're packing it up and we're getting out of here.
The fastest we've done this.
It's 1:14.
1:14. We're going home.
Some wheelers.
Yep.
I believe that's the fastest.
This is the old hand shifter.
Oh.
The old boy rigged up, dude.
Who's it up time?
No, 1 or 2.
I'm probably gonna need 3 actually.
Good thing I grabbed 3, I guess.
Oh, you, because this thing's too fast.
No, I'll go in the front. Or wait, you might have to go in the back because if you're filming, it'd just be lame if you were like in the front. Then you didn't, because if one of us wrecks, it'd be funny as hell.
That would be funny.
I'm like,
Wait, I actually don't remember what color it
I
was.
think it was. Bro.
What?
The arrow to my phone, because since I'm on the bike, my phone. Oh, it still works fit.
Does it? Bro, I couldn't see anything behind you guys. It was so dusty.
Yeah, I was fucking ripping, bro. I just kept going. Did exactly what I said I was gonna do.
What?
Broke off with the battery.
Wait, it just slipped, didn't it?
No, it broke off with the battery.
What do you mean? Wait, what broke?
Yep.
Oh,
I knew that was gonna happen.
recording. I thought y'all were waiting back there.
We tried to find it, we couldn't find it.
I thought you were waiting back there.
Oh, we tried to find it, we couldn't find the trail.
What trail?
The edge of the swamp.
We're not going down there right now.
Yes, we are.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
Mud bog of 2025.
Hey, there's a big, like...
There's a snake or something?
No, there's a stump all the way across.
Oh, there's a stump apparently. Mud bog of 2025. Sancock's got his bike upside down, leaking gas everywhere. I hit it. Oh shit. We're stuck. We're stuck. No swearing. We're on YouTube. I need your winch.
I'm not going across that. You gotta grab it.
I need your winch.
I know. No, I'm not going across that.
Oh.
I'm gonna get stuck right there. Maybe.
Oh, we're sliding.
Look, sorry.
Yeah. Oh. We should go to Proving Grounds.
The what?
Proving Grounds. Do you know what that is?
No.
It's a big mud bog. Hey, hey, hey! You're pulling me back. No. Stop. All right, we're good, we're good, we're good. Hey, I still need some speed to get out of here. Oh, we're sinking. Good thing we got the brunts on. The brunts are waterproof, bud. Keep going. I'll tell you when. I'll tell you when. Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
All right, we two up in?
Yes, sir, dude. Get me out of this joint. Oh, shit, dude. That's what the big gun was. Hang on. Yeah, go forward. Gun you, bro. Back up.
Oh my God. That was deep. Last attempt.
Bogging on the plane, baby.
What?
Bogging on the plane.
Oh. Yeah.
Bogging it down.